How the hell did the meme guy do it? Is that how the meme goes? You should probably just always keep one of these launchers in your car if you can, because if you're a lazy piece of shit like me and you go to car meets, then you can just sit around instead of stand around. So what I have here are the sequential mirror turn signals for our Mark 7s, and I got these from AliExpress for like 20 bucks. And the box says sequential mirror turn signals, but let me get you the real name. So these are actually called dynamic turn signal LED rear view mirror indicator light for V space W Golf MK7 7.57 G space TI R GTD. And I guess these aren't the official ones. And when I say official, I mean they're not the ones from Dynablink. These are not the $120 Dynablink ones. They're just, I guess, replicas from AliExpress for like 20 bucks. And I've never had the Dynablink ones, but I would assume these are more or less the same for like a fraction of the price based on reviews and everybody else that has them, and me myself included. These do the exact same thing and look exactly the same. Nobody's gonna know the difference. Nobody's gonna go up to your car and be like, oh my God, those are from AliExpress. You're such a ricer. I guarantee you nobody's gonna know and nobody's gonna care. In fact, they're gonna praise you for getting these so cheap and they look so awesome, and they're gonna ask where you got them. And I said me, myself included, because I do have a set on right now, but my passenger side one broke. One day I just got into my car and the warning came up that one of my lights is off, and it was the side mirror the turn signal. And so that's why I'm here today to install these. But I'm actually not that upset because the old ones were 20 bucks, these were 20 bucks, and I can buy these like 3 more times and I still wouldn't go over the cost of the official Dynablink ones. So I mean, I'm here telling you all this just to, I don't know, just to tell you all this. The choice is really up to you. You can still go ahead and spend 100 extra bucks to get the Dynablink ones, or just get these ones from AliExpress for a fraction of the cost that look exactly the same and do exactly the same thing. I guess the only downfalls would be if you ever have problems with a set you bought or you got a bad copy, you're kind of asked out. You kind of just have to buy another set. There's not really a warranty to it, and it does take a month to get here in the States. But I mean, even if you buy like 5 of these, they're still gonna cost less than the Dynablink ones. So there you go. That's all the information you should probably need about these. And the choice is up to you. Let me just get my handy dandy mechanics gloves, because you know your boy's a mechanic. Not really. I got these from Harbor Freight. It said mechanics gloves on it. So so the first step, I mean, you really have to push, not forcibly, but kind of push and pop out your, what's this called, the glass. I know some people do it and they don't pop out the glass. You can, but it just makes it a whole lot harder, like fiddling and diddling with it. So you might as well just pop it out, and you kind of want to be careful. Pull from the center and give it like a even amount of force, because you don't want to end up snapping. You don't want to end up snapping and breaking the glass. Which, I mean, I guess you can, because it does give you an excuse to just buy new ones. If you have the OEM ones, you can end up just go buy the spherical ones, and you want to unplug. These things never go as planned. 30 minutes always turns to like a whole hour or something. Which also, by the way, I look so goofy. Spherical mirrors, eBay, AliExpress, 30 bucks. There are like the official ones from ECS for like also like 100 something, which is like, again, like, why? So when you get to here, there's actually 2 clips right over there. One over there that just snap on, and you want to kind of just, you don't want to break them. But I mean, if you do, you can always just, good excuse to get carbon fiber mirror caps. Here we go. Pop one, second clip. So yeah, I guess use a flathead, yay, flathead screwdriver. It's so dirty. So after that, you take out this T10 screw. Thank you for the tool. Appreciate that. It's not a great one, but whatever, it works. So I don't really like doing these like in-depth installs videos, because for one, I'm honestly just referencing some other video, so which, you know, I want to kind of give credit to the owner. Most of the time it's just DAP, Douche Auto Parts, and I just follow their install videos. And also because I just want to install it. I don't want to go through the trouble of having to focus on the camera work. As I was saying, because when I install these things, I just want to install it. Like I don't want to go through the trouble of focusing on the camera work and you know, getting the camera angle right and moving the camera and stuff, and then also changing, and then also like installing the stuff, because it's just a lot time consuming. That's why like I'm just like go check out whoever video I reference, and then here's my review of the item instead of just going a step-by-step install. But this is like the third time I'm doing this, so it should be a lot faster for me. Ta-da! Ah, amazing! Look at that. Lock, unlock. Of course, I'm just pressing. Boom, 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 boom. Awesome. Let me check the other side actually. Originally, I wasn't gonna install both sides because I mean only this side was broken, but I think now I have to install that side too because these are different. So look, this one, right? When I unlock, it sweeps the whole way. This side, when you unlock, it only goes like halfway. For the OEM ones, this plastic film goes all the way, right? And then they're really hard to get out, but so for me, I popped them and ended up breaking like these little plastic tabby thingies for the OEM, like not these, the OEM clear silver ones, which I was okay with because I'm never gonna use them again anyways. But just a word of advice. So when you install this back, there's like these two tabs that go here, and then the clips that we took out from before right here, and there's just a lot of popping stuff back in. It's not really a technique to it. You just kind of go like whoop. That was a bad whoop. Snap stuff back together, and then you give a little, and you're good. Let's see. Yo, awesome. And that is it. Look, it's pretty awesome. Lock, unlock, put on some hazards. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the install and I guess my review about it, or not even review, you guys. Just see for yourself if you like it or not. Now I gotta go ahead and do this side, which I wasn't expecting. I thought I could just do that one side that they were the same, but I guess not. So like, subscribe, do the thing. I don't even know. I'll post a link in the description where you can get them on AliExpress, the exact ones I got. Check them out. I don't get anything from it, but if you get them from Amazon, if I do find one on Amazon, which may be more expensive, but you might be able to get them quicker than a month. And I might get a small commission from it, so support your boy. Yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Yada, yada, yada.